citizen science can help to raise bottom-up needs and collectively generate data that can be used to tackle local environmental, social, and health problems. However, today, citizen science initiatives around the world are posed with new challenges and cross-cutting issues, especially when reaching out to different stakeholders. That's why the second round of the NEWSERA NEWSERA Labs was dedicated to capacity building by sharing and exploring new ways to tackle these emerging and ever-pressing issues. Most citizen science projects collect or generate data, but how can we make the most of it when we're communicating our project to others? The Data Journalism Lab was dedicated to unleashing the power of citizen-generated data and the stories they can tell, using data visualization tools and different communication formats. It was an opportunity to learn how the media system works and how to forge collaborations with journalists. During this lab, NEWSERA pilots worked on 3 different challenges: how to organize and collect data, how to use it effectively, and how to apply storytelling and a narrative approach to make existing data shine. Choosing the right indicators to measure impact is a crucial task for any communication strategy, but this task is often overlooked. For this reason, during the Indicators Lab, NEWSERA pilots built on the brand new communication strategies during the first round of the NEWSERA Labs and co-designed a set of indicators to measure their success. They focused on common macro areas like communications, stakeholders' engagement, and impact. With these indicators, projects will be able to track the effectiveness and perception of their strategies towards quadruple helix stakeholders. Policymakers and citizen science initiatives can create strong alliances, exchanging citizen-generated data and reaching new solutions to local issues. That's why the Policy Lab focused on innovative strategies to engage public sector agents, an action that can greatly increase a project's impact. During the lab, NEWSERA pilots learned how to navigate multi-level political ecosystems and to design their own individual policy map that takes into account aspects such as the political agenda, mutual benefits, and how to choose a message that is effective with policymakers. During the Ethics and Misinformation Lab, NEWSERA pilots focused on some of the most pressing issues regarding data production, reliability, and sharing in the digital age. Regarding ethics, participants co-created a checklist of good practices from citizen science initiatives, as well as guidelines on sound strategies for improving science communication in and from citizen science. Moreover, the lab has shed light on how the participatory approach of citizen science can support individuals to become scientific sources in their local communities and effectively counteract the spread of misinformation. Addressing these cross-cutting issues will help NEWSERA pilots to iteratively evaluate and redesign the communication strategies they co-created during the first round of the labs and work towards the third and final round. To stay updated on the lab's results, follow NEWSERA on Twitter. Learn more about how NEWSERA is innovating the science communication in citizen science at newsera2020.eu or watch our previous video on the NEWSERA Labs.